Hi folks, and welcome back to another work in progress video. I've been working on a new way to use the growth ability. You'll now be able to make these glowing mushrooms grow, lighting up the darkness with their bioluminescence. Let's take a look at how I put all of this together. First things first, I obviously needed to model an appropriate looking mushroom. After sketching out a few designs based on different varieties, I settled on this more generic looking one for now. I then created a few animations for it growing and shrinking, and one for wobbling if you were to walk into it. Once in Unity, I added colliders to it and set up the logic for playing the various animations. Now, when the sphere of influence overlaps one of these little mushrooms, it'll have a growth spurt and grow 10 times bigger. Each mushroom has a specific period it will stay large for, after which it'll shrink. So long as the sphere of influence is in contact with it, the mushroom will remain large. You can also catch the mushroom while it's shrinking, to force it to grow up again. There are a few things happening to get the mushrooms glowing. Each one has an emissive material attached to it, so it looks like the surface is giving off light. There's also a point light inside each one, which I control the range and intensity of. As the mushroom grows, the light expands its range and becomes brighter, and does the opposite when it shrinks back down again. When the mushroom is small, the light is barely useful to you at all. However, when fully grown, you can see that there is a lot more visible to you, thanks to the mushroom's light. As a little extra, I made the mushroom release spores once it's grown, sending it a big puff when it reaches its peak. In dark environments, you can see how useful these mushrooms could be in illuminating their surroundings. I plan on using them for some cool navigational puzzles in the dark. In addition to this, I plan on making some other varieties of glowing mushrooms, some of which might not be so helpful. Let me know what you think about these glowing mushrooms. I'd love to hear your thoughts. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.